we're unboxing something. Yo, what up family, it's your boy Mikey coming to you with another new video. Now, I am unboxing something that I recently just purchased. I had a good conversation with a fellow YouTuber and he noticed that things were getting a little funky around these parts, and that's because my audio hasn't been the greatest. And from what I've learned from other YouTubers and content creators, audio is important. And I know that there's some times where I can have these instances where I'm like, okay, this sounds great. I don't have any problems with that. But then when I listen back to it on other devices, including like my cell phone or on my TV, it don't sound that great. And I'm not with that anymore. So I'm hoping that with this, things will sound a little bit better. Now, for those that don't know, I used to vlog a lot on this channel, and the mic that I would use is the current one that's actually right above me and the one that I use most of the time for my videos. And that is the Rode Videomic GO II. And I've used this constantly on this channel a plethora of different times, including times where I actually used it for voiceovers, just talking directly into the camera to say what I have to say, like that. But this mic that I purchased, I saw a couple of reviews here and there on it, and a lot of people say that they liked it, so I was like, I'm going to purchase this off of Best Buy, and hopefully we can see the difference from what I'm using now to this mic here. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Okay. They made this box like very durable. Okay, let's flash forward to me actually getting this open. I would be very embarrassed to let you guys know how long it took me to actually get the stupid thing out of the box. Jeez. But this is it here, the Rode Videomic GO II in its glory. All right, I am very excited because I know that there are a bunch of different features on this that aren't on my Rode Videomic GO mic, so I'm like very excited to test this bad boy out because I know that you can use it for your iPhone. It says it right here on the side of the box, and you also can use it with a USB output, which is very, very convenient because you don't even want to know. You don't even want to know how many times my mic has just not did what it's supposed to do. Again, I don't want to mess up packaging. All right, I actually need scissors this time. Always cut away from yourself, they say, because if you cut towards yourself, you're gonna dang near kill yourself. Ooh. I don't know why I did that. I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. Okay. There's a lot going on up in there. This is the little tiny mic here. It's so tiny, but I hear that it's very strong and powerful, so I'm excited. Let's put it together real quick. We have the cord, we also have the shock mount, and the mic itself. Okay, after a brief little thing that we just had because I was struggling to even figure out how to put this thing together, here we are in its glory. I'll show a little B-roll of it right now. But this whole time we have been recording with the Rode Videomic GO II, so let's go ahead and switch to this mic right now. All right, what we sounding like? Are we sounding a little crisper, a little better, a little different? I'm not too sure. I will not find out until after I edit this, so you guys gotta let me know how it sounds in the comments down below. Hopefully the audio sounds great now for the future videos that I will be creating here on this channel. But, and speaking of creation, I wanted to give back, and I am no longer going to need my old Videomic GO mic, so I'm going to actually give it to one of you guys. So if you would like to win this mic, all you have to do is make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and leave a comment down below for the reasoning of why you would like to have this mic for yourself. Go ahead and take it. I don't need it anymore, and it works perfectly fine because we were just using it. So, but this new mic is the new mic. So, but if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like. That helps me out a lot more than you guys know. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, all right, join the family. I really appreciate it if you did. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So right now there is a face popping up. You can go ahead and click that to subscribe to the channel. And on the other side is a video that YouTube would recommend that you would like. So I hope to see you over there. Peace out. Bye.